How to log in Newegg app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to log in into your Newegg app, you need to make sure to install the application. First thing first, head over to your respective app store, type in Newegg on the search bar and install the app. After completely installing the app, tap the open button and now you could simply go ahead and log in. So what you need is, in order to log in, you will be asked to select the country of your resident first thing first and tap the done button. As you've done that, at the bottom right, you can see this icon. You just need to tap onto it. And here, you need to go ahead and look for the login button. So here, you could just tap on the sign in or register at the very top right. As soon as you do this, you will be prompted to the next field where you could go ahead and sign in using your Google ID, or you could use the email address and sign in with one-time passcode. That is the simplest way you can log into your Newegg app. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.